Two people did the same problem but got two different answers. 8 divided by 2 times the quantity 2 plus 2, is the answer 1 or is it 16? Well, it all depends on who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first, then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. Let's look at their work step by step. This first one started with the parentheses, and they added the 2 plus 2, and that gave them a 4. Then they did the 2 times 4 and got 8 divided by 8, and 8 divided by 8 is 1, and that's how they got the 1. This person also started with the parentheses, got 8 divided by 2 times 4, same thing, but they went with the 8 divided by 2 now. So they got 4 times 4. Their answer is 16. Well, to figure out who did it correctly, we have to look at the order of operations. Since they did the exact same thing in the first step, let's look at the second step. This person skipped the division and went and did the multiplication. Maybe they thought that's because they had parentheses, but this is still just multiplication, 2 times 4. This person did the division because it came up first as they read the problem from left to right. This was the correct thing to do. So the right answer is 16. 1's a nice answer, but it's just not accurate. Now, try this problem.